and welcome to Cooking with Steph. Today we're going to be cooking one of the most popular blog posts, and that is the healthy sweet and sour chicken. So one of the reasons why I got into this recipe was that, start of the pandemic, technically you couldn't really order a lot of stuff at this time. So I decided that I wanted to get back into the kitchen, learn to love to cook again, and that's what came about. The reason why it's a lot healthier than the standard sweet and sour chicken is, first of all, you're cooking it at home and you get to control the ingredients that you put in. So stay tuned, follow along, and I'll show you the best way to cook this recipe.
Got that sauce in it.
So thank you for staying tuned. I hope you guys have enjoyed following along with me. Click the link down below to find out more exciting recipes on our blog. Don't forget to like, click, share and subscribe, and thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So there you have it, my healthiest sweet and sour chicken. You can have it with anything. You can have vegetables, rice, however you choose. Now bon appetit.